Hi guys, there's a house in Miami, 1938 home. I sanded, I sanded this door. It was in good shape. I didn't have to stain, only a bottom a little bit. But there's areas that have to be done with an artist brush. Yeah, hold on. Let me switch hands. I'm sorry. Okay. You feather it there a little bit. Can't go wrong when you use the best products. This is a C-Toll from Sickens maintenance code. This is I already did the top. Got to do all the bottoms, but it's been just lightly sanded. You never wanna when you're not going to stain. You should be careful with the sanding because it happened to me in the past that you sand with the machine and then you take off some of the stain and you ruin it. And then you got to stain it. So it's very beautiful. There's a door that I'm going to be doing in the front. Hold on, bear with me. I sanded it yesterday, but I'm going to stain it to match the frame. It's a really old, nice door. See? I'm going to match I already have the stain for that. See? Match the door jamb. Thank you.